is not angry. How does Thomas feel after he forgets to embarrass? Thomas is embarrassed after he forgets to invite the other engines to Hero's party. Sometime later, Thomas is feeling sad. Charlie tells him a joke. How does Thomas feel after Charlie tells him a joke? Thomas is not afraid. How does Thomas feel? Happy, sad, happy. That's right! Thomas is happy after Charlie tells him a joke. It's the end of a long day, and Thomas has been really useful. Now it's time for Thomas to go to sleep. Click on Thomas to say goodnight. Click on